Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of level 4. I am your science teacher, Miss Maha Rehan, and today in this video I am going to start the first unit of final term. The first unit of final term is unit number 9, electricity and magnetism. Open your science book, page number 66, electricity and magnetism. Now, what you have to do, first of all, open your science copies and make a title page of final term on a line page. The proper and complete title page of final term must be drawn. After the final term title page, you have to make the second title page of unit number 9, electricity and magnetism. The title page must be present on a line page. Please make sure to draw it on a line page. So there are overall 2 title pages. The first one is of final term and the second one is of electricity and magnetism. Now in today's video, I am going to start the first topic, 9.1, what is electricity or what is the meaning of electricity. Electricity is actually a type of energy and it is created by the movement and flow of electrons. When the electrons flow through a wire, the electricity is created, the electric current is produced. Now, what is electrons? Before studying electrons, firstly you have to see the structure of an atom. This is the diagram of atom. The atom contains 3 particles. As I have told you earlier in the class also, that there are 3 particles in an atom. The first one are the electrons, the second one protons, and the third one neutrons. The protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus, whereas the electrons are present outside the nucleus. And the flow of electricity is actually the flow of electrons. Now, what are electrons? Electrons are present inside the atom but outside the nucleus. Electrons orbit around the middle of the atom nucleus in the same way that planets in the solar system orbit around the sun. As you already know that the planets are revolving around the sun. In the same way, the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Now, there are overall 3 particles in an atom, protons, neutrons, electrons. You have already studied about the structure of an atom. The structure is also drawn on your science book, page number 66, the atom diagram. Now, what is your home assignment level 4? Firstly, you have to draw 2 title pages as I have told you earlier. Then you have to write down the questions with blue color. The first question is define electricity. Only you have to write down 2 to 3 lines definition of electricity. The electricity definition is also present on your slide and in your book also on page number 66. Now the second question with blue color. How the electrons orbit around the atom. You only have to write down the rotation of the electrons around the atom. And the third question is draw a diagram of atom. The atom diagram is drawn on your book, page number 66. You have to draw the complete and colorful diagram of atom in your science copies. So complete these 3 given questions in your science copies. Inshallah, I will be meeting with you in the next video with the further on topics. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, level 4.